Breaking news: there has been a massive explosion at a pipeline in Iran. This occurred between the cities of Shahrikhord and Borogen. This map shows the approximate location of the explosion. The explosion and its aftermath are so large that they can be seen from a distance as far away as 60 kilometers. The section of the pipeline that exploded is the main artery carrying natural gas from the Persian Gulf. The following video clips give an insight into just how big the explosion and aftermath truly was. According to Iran, this clearly is sabotage. Go ahead and take a look and let me know what you think.